Hey everyone, welcome back to Brainy Bite. Today I'll show you how to check if a Facebook account is business or personal and how to switch between them. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and go to the top menu. Tap Menu, then go to your profile. Now tap the three dots beside the Edit Profile button and select View As. This shows how others see your profile. If you see a standard profile, it's a personal account. To check if it's business, look for a follow button or labels like digital creator or public figure. Want to convert to a business account? Go back and tap Turn on Professional mode. Now, this unlocks features like content insights, monetization, and audience growth tools. Tap Turn on to confirm, then keep tapping Next through the setup. Choose your default audience, like friends or public, then tap Confirm. Finally, tap Go to Professional Dashboard to access your business tools and analytics. Now check View As again, you'll see the Follow button and your profile labeled as a business or creator account. And that's it. You now know how to check and switch Facebook account types. Subscribe to Brainy Bite for more Facebook tutorials. See you next time.